while we're protesting the vaccine mandate.
There we go. There's mandate freedom right there. There's Rick's truck. We just did the interview with him just in front of his truck there.
Thank the truckers who are giving their time, their money to go to Ottawa to give a message to our government that we do not want the mandates. We do not want to be forced to take vaccines. Vaccines should be a personal choice. We should not be mandated to take vaccines. Any medical vaccine, whatever, it should be a personal choice. Also, the vaccine passports must go. They are an intrusion on our privacy.